5 divided by 5 over 4 times 8. 4 into here 1, 4 into here 2. Then we have 5 divided by 5 times 2. 5 divided by 5 will give us 1. Then 1 times 2 will give us 2. 2 is the wrong answer to this question because we did not work with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, division and multiplication have equal priority, so we have to work from our left to right, which is we have to solve 5 divided by 5 over 4 first before solving our multiplication. Let us solve the right answer to this question. First of all, we solve our 5 divided by 5 over 4 using KCF. K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We are going to keep 5, change division to multiplication, then flip 5 over 4 to 4 over 5, then bring down our 8 here. 5 into here 1, 5 into here 1. We are left with 4 times 8. 4 times 8 will give us 32. 32 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.